Hey guys, so I want to share a personal, very special story with you. My daughter, who was born in 2007, was a VBAC. That's a vaginal birth after cesarean. They're kind of high risk. Most doctors don't want to do that. They usually want to schedule a cesarean if you've had a cesarean. But Dr. Crane
at Cedars in Beverly Hills
said, hey, let's give it a try. And he pulled it off flawlessly. Thank you, Dr. Crane. Minutes after she was born, she was crying, and I just instinctively reached out to her with my little finger, as you'll see in the video that follows this, and said, hey love bug, hey love bug. And as I touched her hand, and this minutes old newborn attempted to grab my finger, she calms right down and tries to open her eyes to see me. It was a very special moment. Now, I had been talking to her while she was in my wife's stomach, through the stomach, just talking to her, and of course she would hear me throughout her whole pregnancy, walking around my wife and just living with my wife. But she clearly recognized my voice and calmed right down. So take a look at the video. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, love bug. Hi, love bug. Hi, love bug. Hi, love bug. To Daddy.
So what do you think about that? Pretty cool, huh? Remember, they can hear you. What do you think about that?
This book helped me out a ton as a new dad. Highly recommended. I got my dog's stamp of approval. Another job done. No fuss.
Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell.